Read with O fans. Tonight we are reading Summer Birds. Each year the sky is filled with summer birds. Many people call them butterflies. Everyone believes that these insects come from mud, as if by magic. I disagree. I'm only a 13-year-old. But I capture insects. I study them. I have to catch my insects in secret. Neighbors would accuse me of witchcraft if they knew. Everyone says insects are evil, but I know my summer birds are beautiful and harmless. I keep caterpillars and summer birds in boxes and jars. I feed the caterpillars with leaves. I sit still. I watch. Caterpillars are born from eggs laid by summer birds. The caterpillars eat leaves and they grow and eat some more. When the caterpillars are big enough, they spin cocoons. They are made of silky threads. While the caterpillars rest inside their silky cocoons, they turn into summer birds. Isn't that cool? The summer birds come out of their cocoons with wings ready to fly. Then they fly from one flower to another, sipping nectar. I know the grown-ups are wrong about summer birds. Insects are not born from mud. I have seen their whole life cycle with my own eyes. Insects grow slowly, changing from one form to another. None of the forms are evil. Just look at caterpillars turning into butterflies. I love to paint colorful pictures of every kind of caterpillar, cocoon, and summer bird. I keep a notebook filled with my paintings. I write down everything the summer birds do. In my paintings, I always show which kinds of leaves the caterpillars eat. Cool. I also paint the flowers where summer birds drink nectar. Sometimes I think I am a summer bird, waiting to fly. Right now I am a child, but in a few years I will be grown. When I am a grown-up, I will be free to travel to faraway lands, painting all sorts of rare summer birds and flowers. Maybe I will even paint the lizards and frogs of faraway lands. I have some tadpoles in a jar of water. I have seen how they are born from eggs, not from mud. I watch the tadpoles grow until they are finally big enough. They begin to grow legs. The tadpoles have turned into a frog. Someday, I will put my paintings into a book. Then, everyone will know the truth about small animals that change their forms. When people understand the life cycles of creatures that change forms, they will stop calling small animals evil. They will learn as I have been seeing a wingless caterpillar turn into a flying summer bird. I hope you enjoyed this book. Make sure to share and subscribe. Have a great night and be good.